The mystery of the Taos hum, a sound no one can explain. In Taos, New Mexico, some residents hear a low-frequency hum that no one else can detect. The sound, known as the *** Taos hum**, has been reported since the 1990s, but its source remains unknown. Theories range from secret military experiments to natural geological vibrations. Only about 2% of the population *** can hear it, leading some to believe it's a form of auditory sensitivity. Despite decades of research, the Taos hum remains one of the world's most puzzling acoustic mysteries. If you found this video informative, then please do like and subscribe.